ubaluthini South Africa, I mean, I totally agree. Yeah, no, Pastor Enigma, you understand? Angindaba ukuthi uthina na mina the way yabona narrative yakhe, you understand the way appreciate ngakhona izwi kaNkulunkulu. Mina ngiyam understand, no abanye bacabanga ukuthi uyahlangana, abanye bacabanga ukuthi mina ngiyam understand.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. We are trend Innocent Masuku lebe smart kakhulu angabobo laphana ku yizo ngemva kokuthi a reveal ku interview ukuthi yena yamthemba brother Enigma konke lela khuluma kuvele kuliqiniso yena uyakuthemba. And people said ukuthi hayibo kanjani usabhema yini intashi, some said ukuthi wena ugula njengaye. Guys, ngibone lo mfana lona a hosta ishow le lapha ku Moja Love. I just don't know the name of the show ukuthi uyini, but lapha le show nje now qoqa abantu labasehlala etradini ababuyisele emakhaya, and I was like hayibo nkosi yami. Yabona Moja Love, guys, Moja Love is a joke. I don't wanna lie, a joke nje Moja Love. Don't get it dlala lapha ku Moja Love nje ungathi yadibuka. Ayi cha guys, host akhona abantu bakhona nje bavele baqoshe nje, bavele bathatha noma ngabe yini bathatha. Not that people don't deserve my second chances, but you cannot give such an opportunity to someone who doesn't even care about his life. Kanjani? Oh. Anyway, asikhulapo people dragged Innocent for saying ukuthi yamthemba ku brother Enigma, but hayibo asimangali phela wena ukhumbula ukuthi ubhema intasha uhlanya njengaye brother Enigma. If umthemba then clearly uhlanya njengaye. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'm signing out. Goodbye.